Kali.
Hey, how are you?
Great, great, great. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for organizing all of you.
Yeah, it was just a small effort. A lot of more things to come.
Yes.
But it's a good start for us.
Yeah. Excellent. I'll mute myself, Maggie. Okay.
What is it?
I'll mute myself, right?
Yeah, you mute yourself, please.
Okay.
Many Sevalia staff and some of our donors also will be joining.
Okay, no problem. So Murli, you're going to go first, right? As per our agenda.
Yeah.
And then I go after you.
Yeah.
Is Rekha ready? I don't see her on the list.
She was there last time. She has to come back now.
Yes, sir, I'm ready. Yes.
She's there.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I don't see you on the. I don't see you on the video. Okay, those of you that are joining, after you join, please unmute yourself.
Unmute or mute?
Mute, I'm sorry.
The host should highlight the performer and mute everybody else. Spotlight.
How do I do that, Kumar?
You see, if you click on the three buttons on top on the host now on the picture, there are the three buttons in the blue box when you move your cursor.
Right.
There it will say, when you click on that, if you're a host, then it will tell you make spotlight, make high, you know.
Okay, Murli, you're in the spotlight.
Yeah. And then you got to, and you make sure you. And then if you go to participants down there, Mahindran, down there, participants, when you click on it, you can do mute all there.
Will it mute the spotlight guy? No.
Yeah, but you have to unmute him or
Okay.
have him unmute himself after you mute everybody. Okay.
We'll give it another 5 minutes.
The folks from the Sevalaya, are they joining right now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Right now we have 8 people.
All right.
So.
Yes, sir.
Rekha, who is joining from the campus?
No.
Smriti Gopi, is that part of your organization?
Shantaraj, sir. Shantaraj.
Yeah, Sumati is Sevalia staff.
Okay. So we're down to 9. Let's give another 5 minutes.
Yeah, Suresh is also Sevalia staff.
Okay.
You're joining? Okay, yeah.
Rekha, are you ready to, you have the program queued up?
Yes, sir. So first I'll start with prayer song. So I'll screen share.
Suresh, are you in campus?
During the program, I think I'm unable to unmute the participants. So could anyone please help us in this? Because I'm going to share my screen, so it will be in full screen.
So basically what I'll do is I'll make you the spotlight so you can start with the prayer song.
Yeah, okay.
Then we'll go to Murli.
And if somebody needs to share screen, you got to make them a co-host, Mahindran, okay?
Okay.
Hi, Divya. Hi, Divya. Mali here. How are you?
Hi. Let me just. Oh, hi, everyone. I see everyone.
Hey guys.
You know, I don't find. I'm looking for Rekha. Rekha, where are you?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Shall I start?
Hold on one second. I'm trying to make you the spotlight video. Yeah, we have a lot of people joining us, so I'm just letting them all in. Okay, Rekha, why don't you start with your song?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rekha, we can't hear the audio. You need to enable the audio.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Give me a minute. Yeah.
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே இச்சகத்துள்ளோரெல்லாம் எதிர்த்து நின்ற போதிலும் இச்சகத்துள்ளோரெல்லாம் எதிர்த்து நின்ற போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே துச்சமாக எண்ணி நம்மை தூது செய்த போதிலும்
Rekha, you having any technical difficulties?
Uncle.
Yeah, I'm letting her back in. She had some connection. Rekha, are you back in? I think she got disconnected for some reason.
Rekha, you got cut off? She's there.
Rekha, can you hear us? She might be unmuting herself. Rekha, are you there? Yes, she's having some technical difficulties, so let's give her a minute.
I don't see Rekha on the participant list. Mahendran. She was there.
She was just here and she got disconnected.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to give her another 30 seconds. If not, we're just going to proceed with the program. Murali, can you text Rekha, find out what's happening?
Yeah, I'll just try to call her. Some network issue, I think.
Okay, there she is.
Yeah, she's in.
Yeah.
Actually. Nama? Join Monday, Dirbi. No, you are put Abhirami put it.
Yeah, there she is.
Yeah, she's joined back.
Okay.
உச்சி மீது வானிடிந்து வீழுகின்ற போதிலும் போதிலும் அச்சமில்லை 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 அச்சம் என்பதில்லையே.
Okay, thank you, Abhirami, for the prayer song. Now the next item is welcome address by me. So thank you very much, Satya, once again. This is our second program online. We had a chess competition before on the Gandhi Jayanti day, and today for Dasara, we are again having one more program of the cultural evening by the Sevalaya children. Satya and all his friends, Magendran and all other friends who are all joined, and the family members of Satya have been supporting a lot for Sevalaya. So thank you very much and welcome you all to this program. It's a great opportunity for Sevalaya kids to get a stage like this where people from all over the world have joined to see their performance. Normally, Sevalaya goes by the three legends, Mahakavi Bharati, Mahatma Gandhi, and Swami Vivekananda. So the programs today is mostly based on Bharatiyar songs. This is the Navratri time. The Dasara is coming up on Monday. A lot of songs which Bharati has written in praise of Shakti, Parashakti. So our children will be singing and dancing for many of these songs and also some other songs also. To tell you, Sevalaya School, even though it's run for destitute, orphan, poor children, we give them full training on Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam. We have teachers for dance and music, and it is taught in the school. So they're all learning. They're all students of Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam. So we will get to see their performance very soon. Today also the double special dinner, as usual, by Satya's family, is sponsored by Satya's daughter, Divya Prabhakar. So thank you very much, Divya. I think Divya has joined the call already. So she has sponsored today's excellent dinner for our children in memory of her great-grandmother, Prakashvati Malhotra. So she has sponsored this dinner today. And the cultural program is sponsored by the 84 batch of I think on those days it was called REC Trichy, the Regional Engineering College, and later it became NIT, National Institute of Technology. Coincidentally, I also completed in the year 84, but from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Okay, so same year I also completed my education. So that was from IAC Bangalore. So I'm happy that the batch of NIT Trichy alumni group of 84 batch we all joined together today to sponsor the cultural evening for Sevalaya and all the prizes to be given to the the winners of this competition. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for all of you for joining. And once again, I welcome all of you to this program of different Sevalaya children for the Dasara, the celebrations. So thank you. So back to host, Rekha.
Thank you, Murli. Can everybody mute themselves? So we are hearing some noises. Kindly mute your microphones. I would appreciate it.
Just do a mute all. Mahendran, just do a mute all and mute the next speaker. Yeah.
Mahendran.
So next I request Mahendran to say a few words about this program and about the NIT 84 batch, the activities what you have been doing. After that, we'll have the cultural program starting.
And wish you all a very happy Dashara. On the eve of Dashara, this is a very auspicious moment that we are doing this. Can you guys see me? I don't know if you can see me, but...
No, yes.
Okay, so on behalf of the RT84 group, it is my privilege and honor to be part of this charitable and fun endeavor that we have partnered with Sivalaya to pull this off. So I want to thank the team at Sivalaya for putting this event together and allowing us to participate in it. Let me say a few words about Sivalaya. Murli is really humble in just saying a few things about Sivalaya, but Sivalaya has been around for almost 30 years, and under Murli's leadership, it has been doing great things in three main areas, which is basically child education and poverty, which is their core mission. But they've also been helping out people of older age and the environment. So these are the three areas that they contribute, and they've been doing this for 30 years. So it's great to partner with such a nice organization. They have, over the past 30 years, helped people in 40 different villages, and I think they're responsible for almost 2,100 students that they educate on a yearly basis. So kudos to Sivalaya. And, Sivalaya draws its inspiration from, as Murli said, three great leaders of India: Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekananda, and Mahakavi Bharatiya. What more could you want to draw inspiration? But, drawing inspiration is one thing, but actually taking that and putting things into action is a different thing. And that's what Murli and his team have done here for the past 30 years. And I want to, wish them continued success, and we are happy to be associated with an organization such as Sivalaya. Okay, I want to take this opportunity to thank the people of the RT84 group who made this event possible. It started out as a silly little contest, and one thing led to another, and the whole group coalesced and wanted to do something for charity, and basically we created this event and set a goal, and we were able to meet the goal in less than 10 hours. So it was just such an enthusiastic pent-up demand that was in the group, and it just came outpouring. And a lot of people didn't even know who Sivalaya was and what, but they just wanted to contribute for a good cause. And I want to thank all of you guys that sponsored this event, and look forward to working with you all on our future endeavors that I'm working on. I also want to thank all the participants who are going to put together this event, and for the hard work and the many hours that they put together to prepare for this event under Mari's leadership and guidance. And finally, I want to recognize Satya, who was very, very instrumental, and for his immense help and guidance in putting this event together. And also his daughter for sponsoring the dinner tonight. Divya, thank you very much. You follow after your father, I guess, which is a good thing. In addition, Satya also sponsored a chess event at Sivalaya a couple of weeks ago, which is on your website. I had the opportunity to look at it. And then lastly, but not leastly, I want to thank the three judges that have agreed to judge this event Mali, Kumar, and Sundar. Thank you guys. And basically the event is going to be broken into two. The talent contest is going to be broken into two sections. The first section is going to be the primary school kids, and there's 4 teams in there. And then that'll be followed by 8 teams from the high school. So without further delay, I would like to turn this over to Rekha, who will manage the performance of the participants. And then I'll let the judges take care of the scoring. And at the end of the event, we'll come together and wrap up the program. Thank you very much. Rekha.
It was a wonderful performance. Let's see the next song of our traditional dance of Kolar by our primary children.
பெண்கள் பாடியாடும் கொண்டாட்டம் கோலாட்டம் புது கோலாட்டம் பெண்கள் பாடியாடிடும் கொண்டாட்டம் கோலாட்டம் புது கோலாட்டம் வண்ண பூக்கள் ஆடிடும் கொண்டாட்டம் புண்ணிய மண்ணின் புகழ் பாட எண்ணியபடியே மனமாட
Chat box.
Rekha, are you there? I guess that was team number 1 from the primary school. I guess Rekha is having some technical difficulties. Let me see if I can reach her. Yeah, Rekha's back. Murali, is there anybody else that can continue with the performances?
No, Rekha has got all the recording, and I just saw she was coming back. I think she was getting cut off, so she's coming back again. Yeah, starting.
Okay. Go ahead, Rekha.
That our Lord will bless us for this performance. Let's see our next song of our village girls, Gupian song.
Nannane nannane tane tane tannane nannane tanna nannane tane nannane tane nannane nannane tananane 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 கும்மியடி கும்மியடி கொலவையிட்டு நல்ல கொடி போல 7 வண்ண கோலமிட்டு கும்மியடி
having some technical difficulties in terms of the video streaming, so we're going to do a small change, and Sundar is going to take over streaming. Sundar, if you don't mind, can we just do a do-over? Start with song number 1, please.
Yeah, I can do that. Give me 1 second. Here's what I'm going to do.
Rekha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sundar is going to take over the streaming of the songs because the video is very spotty. So I'm going to give control to Sundar, and Sundar is going to play the songs in the order that you provided, okay?
So are we going from the top?
Yeah, from the top, yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, Sundar.
No problem. I hope this will play through fine. Let me know if you guys are able to hear it okay. I'm going to go with the first song first. Let me set it up first, and then I'll get back.
There you go.
Okay. This is the first song. Let me know if you guys are able to see my screen first.
Yeah, we can see it. Go ahead.
How about now?
Yeah.
You seeing it full screen?
Yeah.
Perfect. So
yes, we are.
It was a wonderful performance. Let's see the next song of our traditional dance of Kolar.
How is the streaming quality?
Better, but still choppy. Sundar, better than last time, but still choppy. The YouTube live is fantastic, though.
When you watch it independently, you mean? Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a small change. Let's try it out. So bear with me.
நம்ம நாட்டின் உண்மையான ஆட்சி மாற்றி ஆட்சி வந்திருந்த போதும் விவசாய மரண காட்சி மட்டும் நின்ற பாடையில் ஒரு போடு சாமி உன்னை நம்பி இருக்கு பூமி உன் குரலை உலகம் கேட்க செய்ய நாங்கள் உலகுக்கே முத்த கூடிடா நம்ம கூடிடா கெத்தாயிருடா வீரமன்பை.
Someone else is sharing.
அமைதியெல்லாம் போது நண்பா புறப்படுடா இருந்து எழுந்திடுடா எடுத்து செய்யும் அன்றே விவசாயம் வந்தோம் அன்றை வந்து இன்று அரசியல் செய்கிறாங்க வளம் மிகுந்த நாடு அது எங்க தமிழர் நாடு நாம் விழித்திராமல் இருந்ததாலே வந்தறிந்த கேடு.
Okay. You guys, someone else was sharing, so let's.
Go ahead, Sundar.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure who was sharing, so I didn't want to interrupt that one.
Sundar, Sundar, you can go to the performance 3.
Pardon me?
You can go to the performance 3, I'm saying.
Oh, performance 3. Okay, no problem. Okay. Are you guys able to see my screen okay? You're good?
Yes.
Okay. Is it better?
Best picture. Next, a tribute to our backbone of India, farmers. Let's salute them through the farmers song.
நாளுக்கு நாள் அதிகரிக்கும் விவசாயிகள் தற்கொலைக்கா ரட்டிப்பிடும் நம்ம நாட்டின் உண்மையான தெரிந்த போதும் விவசாயம் சோறு போடு சாமி உன நம்பி இருக்கு பூமி குரலை உலகம் கேட்க செய்ய இளைஞர்கள் விட்ட குடிடா நம்ம குடிடா கெத்தாயிருக்கா திருமண நீட்டிடா இல்ல எனில் சத்து மடிடா கட்டிக்காத அமைதி எல்லாம் போது நண்பா புறப்பட்டுட்டா கொண்டு எழுந்துட்டா எட்டு திசையும் மிரளட்டுண்டா ஆற்றை வைத்து அன்றே விவசாயம் செய்து வந்தோமானால் ஆற்றை வைத்து இன்று வளம் மிகுந்த நாடு அது எங்க தமிழகா விழித்திராமல் இருந்ததாலே வந்தறிந்த
It's a full-fledged organization. So many people must be involved in this. கம்பெனிகள் வீசும் மெலுமை கவுறா புது புது பேர சொல்லி மண்ணு கூறு போடுறா அங்கேயும் அடிக்கிறா இங்கேயும் அடிக்கிறா நடுகில பேசுறவ வேடிக்கைலாம் பார்க்கிறா நம்பின வினாமோ ஏமாந்தது போதும் துரோகிகளை நீக்கி விட்டு மற்ற நம்ம மாறுவோம்.
Was it better qualities?
It was slightly better.
Okay. So are we moving on to the next video?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So what you just played was song number 3, right?
That's correct.
Okay.
Can we also mute everybody else, please? There's still some crosstalk coming.
Sir, video today. Sir, video.
God us to bless us for peaceful, healthy, and wealthy life. Let us call our final dances to the stage to perform this song.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that concludes the primary school. Just continue, Sundar.
Okay. So we're moving on to song number 5.
Yeah, this is the high school participant.
Sure.
Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to celebrate the function Sevaya for Planet Culture Competition. Here our first performance is for the BGV leaders. BGV is our golden group. A is first in Hamilton, but for us, B is first. A tribute to our great leader, Narani, is song Happy Children for your delightful view.
சிறகினிலே கரியனிடம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா கரியனிடம் தோன்றுதே நந்தலாலா காக்கும் மரங்களெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா காக்கும் மரங்களெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா காக்கும் மரங்களெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நிறம் பச்சை நிறம் தோன்றுதே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா நிறம் கரிய நிறம் தோன்றுதே நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் ஒலியிலெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்று கீதம் இசைக்குதடா நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் ஒலியிலெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்று கீதம் இசைக்குதடா நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் ஒலியிலெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்றன் கீதம் இசைக்குதடா நந்தலாலா கேட்கும் ஒலியிலெல்லாம் நந்தலாலா நின்றன் கீதம் இசைக்குதடா நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தார் நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தார் நந்தலாலா தீக்குள் விரலை வைத்தார் நந்தலாலா நின்னை தீண்டும் இன்பம் தோன்றுதடா நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா கரிய நிறம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா காக்கும் மரங்களெல்லாம் பச்சை நிறம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா காக்கை சிறகினிலே நந்தலாலா கரிய நிறம் தோன்றுதையே நந்தலாலா நந்தலாலா நந்தலாலா.
The video was much better for that song.
Oh, that's good. So it might be a good idea for everyone to turn off their video while the video is being played. That might help the performance a little bit. So please turn off your personal video from Zoom. So we're going to move on to song number 6.
It was a nice song. We will get more rain this year. Next, we are going to welcome our Durga Devi through the fifth song of Haimiri Nandini.
Okay. So are we good to move to number 7, song number 7?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah.
All right, it's coming right up.
We are going to honor the traditional folk dance of Telangana through the song Om Shakti. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Parashakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Parashakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om. Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om Shakti, Om.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, Sundar.
Okay. We're going to do song number 8.
Wow, it was a given by others. Next, our Namathi wrote this song for our Lord's Saraswati to bless all. Let's enjoy this song. Velekam.
Okay.
What song are we on?
We're song number 9.
Your kind children. Congrats to the kids. Let's sing the next song, a tribute to our Tamil poet Bharati.
Okay. So
song number 10 coming up.
Song number 10 is I hope the video and the audio quality are better.
They are.
Yeah, I did.
I think we are going to invite our Shakti Mata through this Christian song to make her cry.
Shiva Shakti
Is it the last one coming up, Sundar?
This is the 11th song, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, so we got 2 more to go.
Right.
It's a marvelous performance by a private chef. Proud to be an Indian, salute our great freedom fighters of India through the song Vande Mataram in Hindi.
I've got the last one.
All right, the last one.
Song number 12.
Old is good, so proud. Our Kolkata performance also like gold. This, our town for our garden wants rain to make our land fresh and green. Here, the song will get right. Tikkugal Repu.
The other option which determines the price, the other factor will determine the price.
Thank you, Sundar.
No problem.
All right, that was excellent performance by 12 different teams. You can see the amount of work that they put into putting this thing together. Kudos to Mari for getting them ready and getting the performances done. We had a little bit of video difficulties, but I think towards the end it got rectified, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So the judges are putting their scores together. So I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce everyone to Mr. Kingston. He's the Vice President of Operations at Sevalia. I'm going to make you the spotlight video of Mr. Simpson. Please unmute yourself and your.
Yeah, sir, thank you. Good evening, all. Greetings to all of you from children, senior citizens, all staff and trustees of Sevalaya. First of all, I want to wish and thank to the sponsors of this program.
Kingston, you are gone on mute.
Yeah.
Kannedi Alumni Group. Yeah, sorry. My sincere thanks to each and every one of these team members. Definitely, all of us have filled with a lot of joy because of our Sevalaya Kids program performance. It's also a great opportunity to our Sevalaya Kids too. Thanks for arranging this special program to our Sevalaya Kids. My special and sincere thanks to our Sevalaya Kids first, who participated in this talent show. Nearly 12 teams participated from our primary and higher secondary schools. I want to thank to our teachers who trained the students very well. Staff not only helped the students to practice the songs and dances, they also helped them for makeup, especially song selection, costume selection, and collection, etc. Thank you so much for each and everyone. My sincere thanks to Mr. Mahendran for his, actually he raised funds for this program. He spent his valuable time for this program. He was keeping touch with us, with our staff, Sevalaya staff continuously. That's why this program went out very well. My special and sincere thanks to Mr. Mahendran sir. I also want to thank Satya for all her initiatives. I need to thank our tech support team, audio and video group, etc. Our center heads and unit heads also coordinated very well for this program. My special thanks to them too. I also want to thank all the judges, participants, and audiences of this program. I want to say special thanks from the bottom of my heart to Ms. Divya Prabharan. She sponsored a double special dinner to our kids and senior citizens this evening. In the memory of her grandmother, our residents enjoyed the meal very well. Thank you so much. Last but not least, Mr. Satya Prabharan took this initiative and has given full his effort for this complete success. Thanks a lot, sir. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you. Thanks a lot. We look forward to your continuous support. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Kingston. I wonder if you're named after the city in Jamaica. Is that how your name came to Kingston? Just a curious question. I want to take this opportunity to now bring Murali. I don't think he's expecting this, but Murali, can you spend a couple of minutes talking to us about Sevalaya, about what you've accomplished, brief description, and then where do you see Sevalaya going in the future, in the next few years? Thank you.
Yeah, this question I don't need any previous intimation. You can ask me anytime. Sevalaya has been there for 32 years now. We have been functioning from 1988. We started with 5 orphan children, and then now we have grown to a size where we have 12 different centers spreading all over Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. In the Kasuva village, where our majority of our operations are happening, which is in Tiruvallur district, which is just outside Chennai, we run a free school for 2,100 children. right from LKG to 12th standard, completely free. This is all catering to the needs of orphan, destitute, and poor children. We selected that village because around that village there are a lot of bricklands and a lot of agricultural lands where there used to be all child labor. The entire area was 100% child labor kind of situation. From there, Sevalaya entered the scene in 1988, and we had to go from bricklin to bricklin, from hut to hut, and then free these bonded labor children. Now we had to bring them out. We had to complain to the authorities. We brought the police. We brought the district collector, and then got the bricklin owners arrested and got the children free from the from the clutches of child labor. And such children, they started studying in the Sevalaya school. We don't get any government grant for the school. The school is run completely, on the donations given by public charitable-minded people. And in the last 3-4 years, after the CSR laws come in, some of the corporates are also supporting us. So the entire school is free. The notebooks, books, uniforms, everything is given free to the children. We have around 200 children who are staying on the campus. These are the homeless children. These 200 children are housed inside the Kasua campus. And there are another almost 2,000 children. They come from around 40 villages around Sevalaya. They're all from very poor families. They may have parents, but they are financially very poor. So such children only we are taking. And we have a old age home. There are around 70 old people in the Kasua campus, and we have around another 20 old people in Tanjavur campus. We run a old age home in Tanjavur, which is around 400 kilometers south of Chennai. So there also we have our own center there. These old people are again destitute old people, people who have been the old people have been thrown out from their houses, and they have been on the platforms. Those kind of old people, we take them, and we take care of them fully on all the medical requirements right up to their last day, and even beyond that. Because we do the last rites also. Most of the cases, their own children, they don't turn up when they die. So it becomes Sevalaya's responsibility to do the last rites also. We run a free medical center in Kasua village. It's a small 12-bedded hospital with 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 12 hours of doctors and nurses are available. This is open to all the 40 villages around. So all the villagers, they come here and they get free consultation, they get free medicine, and small procedures are also done there, completely free of charge. We have mobile medical vans, one in Thiruvallur and one in Kanchipuram district. This covers 2 villages every day. That means there are 4 villages getting medical camps done by Sevalaya on a daily basis. Of course, during Corona time, we were asked to stop it. We were told by the government that we should not go and give any medicines at this point in time. So we have restricted ourselves only to the awareness programs. We have been only doing awareness with respect to Corona and all. That's what we have been doing till the time the government clears us from giving any medicines and all that. We are only doing the awareness programs. We run a lot of community colleges, which is for the not so brilliant underprivileged kids. These are the kids who are not academically bright, but dropped out of schools at the age of 16, 17 or whatever, and they don't want to study further. Those kind of kids, they become a problem to the society, right? So we try to get these children into the community colleges. We have a 4 months to 6 months kind of course which teaches them a skill like AC mechanic or electrician or beautician, bakery, and nursing, lab technician, various courses we have, data entry, tailoring. So a lot of people, mostly ladies, they join these courses. And then at the end of 6 months, many of the companies around, they are willing to employ them. So they get job very easily. Somebody who is a 10th standard fail, for him to get a job with 8,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees starting salary is a good starting point. And after that, whatever the way he shows his talent in the company where he has joined, he can grow up. But it's a good starting point for such kids. So we have been running these community colleges in Kaswa village, 2 in Ambattur, 1 in Sri Perumbudur, 1 in Uttaramerur, 1 in Sungwar Chatram, 1 in Pondicherry, and 1 in a village called Ravana Samudram in Tenkasi, which is almost towards the tip of India, around 800 kilometers south of Chennai. So these are all the various activities what we are doing. Of course, we are doing organic farming. We are having a Goshala. We are having around 70 dry cows, which we are taking care of, and we are teaching organic farming to the villagers around 3 locations. We are doing organic farming. Of course, most of the produce is used internally because we have 1,400 meal to be given every day. So we don't have enough land to produce so much of vegetables. But as a sample, for people to taste what is organic vegetable, we give out some of the vegetables also as for the donors who are visiting our campus. Otherwise, not much of sales from it, but we definitely want to develop it if it is possible. We want to become self-sufficient to the extent possible by introducing some amount of sales from the organic vegetables and all that. So we're trying to do that. This is what the current Sevalaya is. In 32 years, from just 5 children in a rented house, to today, we are running our own school, our own small hospitals and medical centers, old age homes, community colleges. So this is the growth in 32 years. We definitely want to grow further. If you ask me, I will say this is very slow. We should have done much more. Of course, there are a lot of restrictions from government, a lot of issues, because we don't bribe. Right? So when you don't bribe, none of your files move in the manner in which it has to move. So all our permissions, even though government grant is not there, we have to go to government for every single permission. We have to go to them. So whenever we go to the government for any permission, our file remains there for 2-3 years. Then we have to put up a fight. We have to go to media. We have to make a big noise and then get our file moved. So if that problem was not there, definitely we would have done at least twice the work what we have done today. We would have definitely done much more. But we have major plans. We finally want to become a free university for destitute and orphan children. We don't want to stop with class 12. We want to go into higher education also. We want to open up colleges where we will give free education for poor and destitute children. So the Sevalaya, whatever services we do, it will be completely free. It will be open only for destitute and orphan children. We will not get into collecting fees from children and then admitting all children. We will not go that route. We will concentrate. Our market segment is only the destitute and orphan children. So we will work only for their benefit, and then we will try to become our own university. That is our long-term goal. I don't know when we will be able to achieve that, because it requires a lot of funds. It requires a lot of land to be purchased. So a lot of things are there. So if any land is available and where people can ask us to come and run the university, we are willing to look at it and then give a go at it. So that is our final plan. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to just very briefly tell you about Sevalaya. You can go into our website, sevalaya.org. This will give you, all the details about our activities, our annual reports, our newsletters. Everything is uploaded in our site, so you can just take a look at it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Murali. Thank you for your service. And 32 years is a long time to dedicate yourself to community, and it's people like you that make this world a better place. And I'm so happy to be introduced to you. And this is our first venture with you, and we put this together in a short team. You run an amazing organization with tremendous team members. I had the opportunity to interact with quite a few of them, and it was an unbelievable experience. In terms of the significance of this event, it's a small one, but it's just a starting point for us. And I can say for myself that we would like to be associated with you as we move forward and help you with your causes, because some of the causes you're pursuing is very dear to our hearts. And We will talk offline. I have a lot of things that I'm putting together, but I would like you to be involved in, getting some help from us and us helping you achieve what your goals are in the next couple of years. We have a tremendous team of people in the RT84 group, and they're willing to contribute time, and we have access to government, and whatever help we can give you, I offer that on behalf of the group today. And thank you to your team for putting things together. And the judges have finally sent me the final scores, so I'm going to announce the results first of the primary school competition. Finishing in third place was song number 3. I'll post this list. It's basically a song which was a tribute to farmers, and the participants were R. Leah, K. Pooja, Lovely, and Prasanna. So they finished number 3 in the primary school competition. Oh, wait a second. The second and third are tied. So basically, it'll be a joint prize for song number 2 and song number 3. So song number 2 was Miralini, Pooja, Nalina, and Varshini. So these 2 teams will together get the second prize. So there will be no third prize. And the first place goes to, and this was my pick, which was the song that started it all, the Kolatam Pudu Kolatam. It was an amazing performance to see these young kids perform. Hanishka, Dear Darshini, Lakshmi, and Pavitra. Congratulations. So you were in first place in the primary school competition, and Murali will take care of the prizes. We've already sent the money to Murali. He will distribute the prizes and spend it wisely. Okay, so now we move on to the high school competition. So finishing in, maybe the judges, there's a tie again for second and third place. So there'll be 2 second places here. So finishing for a tie is song number 10 and song number 11. They both finished with the same score. So song number 10 was Om Shiva Shakti by Nitya Shri, Vinoda, Yuvashri, and Logeshwari. So that was song number 10. And song number 11 was Vande Mataram with Sarada, Avendika, and Vasanti. Congratulations. So you both finished in second place. And the winner of the high school competition is song number 7 by, well, the name of the song is Om Shakti by Deepika, Divya, Anushka, and Kausalya. Congratulations to all the participants. Every participant will get a prize for participating. So I just named out the people that finished in the first, but every team will get a prize for taking the effort to participate in the event, and they all did wonderful. So I'll talk to DKS offline, and maybe we can put these videos on YouTube, Mr. Murali, so we can build a history of these events, and people can enjoy it at their time. And also for people that could not join today, there were at least a few that had conflicts, could not join. It would be nice for them to watch it. Okay, so we're coming to the tail end of the program. I want to just basically thank the RT84 group, especially the people that instantly transferred whatever money I asked for. It was not a lot, but it was the effort that counted, and I thank you guys. There was 27 of us plus me, and we did it in a record time of 10 hours. And this is just a start. We have a lot of initiatives coming up, and I'll keep you guys updated. I want to thank the Sevalaya organization, especially Murali. Thank you for your leadership and your service, and the team that you have working for you that made this possible. Big thanks to all the participants. Really enjoyed your show. Keep up the good work. Study hard. You have a good benefactor in Murali, and I forgot to announce this, but I think one of your alumni is now a doctor, is what I read about Dr. Nirmada, which is wonderful, to grow from being an orphan to become a doctor. Congratulations. So you have such role models, follow the rules, and make something of yourself and give back to the community. Then I want to thank Satya. We couldn't have done this without Satya. He was instrumental in pulling this together. 5 a.m., midnight, it didn't matter. He responded to my questions, did whatever work was necessary and pulled it together. Thank you, Satya. Without you, we could not have done this. Special thanks to Divya for sponsoring the meal. Please join us as we participate in other endeavors. And thank you again. Final thanks to the judges who took time to, grade the scores and produce the results. So in closing, really wonderful event. Thank you everyone for participating, and look forward to working with you guys in putting more of these shows together. So we're going to close this out with the singing of the national anthem by Miss Abhirami Murali. Who's that?
Yeah, okay. Abhirami.
So if you could just tell her to.
Rekha?
Is it Abhi? ABI?
Yeah, Abhirami, that is also recorded. So,
okay, so
available. Maybe Rekha or Sundar can play it.
Okay. If we can get the link, yeah.
Do you have the link, Sundar, on the sheet?
I don't have it in the spreadsheet.
Abhi?
Sundar, just look for the Indian national anthem. We'll just play it offline. Oh, okay, Abhi will start video later. Right. Sundar, just find on YouTube the Indian national anthem. If Abhi has any difficulties, I'll just switch back to you.
Okay. Before that, Murali, do you know if you have a link of hers on the video on YouTube or something, or is it something else?
No, just find it on YouTube. Put Indian national anthem and just play it.
If you can't find it, I can sing that, Mahendran.
Okay, go for it.
No, I'm just.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, all of us can sing, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I see Abhi now.
Abhi. Yes.
Yeah, Abhi is there.
All of us were singing.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, Abhirami is here. Abhirami, unmute. Yeah.
Go ahead, Abhirami.
பாடுங்க.
जनहन मन हति नायक जय हे भारत
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल दलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे कागे तव जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, Abhirami.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, so that concludes our program. Thank you again for participating, and see you for the next one. Have a good day, guys.
With the kids.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye, Murali.
Thank you all very much. Awesome evening. Thank you.